Hey, this is journal page 150, which is chapter 7, section 2. Tell whether the angles are complementary, supplementary, or neither. Well, remember, complementary means they add up to 90. Supplementary means they add up to 180. And neither means they don't add up to 90 or 180. So let's look here. 47 plus 43 equals 90. So these were complementary. Number 2, 48 plus 27 equals 75. Neither. And number 3, 52 plus 128, 180, which makes them supplementary. Number 4. It says, tell whether they're complementary or supplementary. So those are our only two options. Can't be neither. Then find the value of x. Well, for number 4, these are complementary. You can see they form this right angle right here. A right angle is 90 degrees, which means these two come together to form 90 degrees, making them complementary. It also tells us that when we add them, 10x plus 30 equals 90, because when I add them up, I get 90. Now I can solve to see what x is, because it says find the value of x. Subtract 30 from each side. 10x equals 60. Divide both sides by 10. X equals 6. So x equals 6. I'm going to put it up here. X equals 6. So it's near my complementary part of my answer. Number 5. These two angles go together to form this straight line. A straight line is 180 degrees. So these two add up to this 180 degrees, which makes them supplementary. I'm going to solve this one over here. I've got some space. So now I know if I add these two, 4x plus 40 plus my 3x is going to equal 180 because they add up to form a 180 degree angle. I can simplify this to 7x plus 40. I can't combine those two because they're unlike terms. I subtract 40 from both sides and get 7x equals 140. Divide both sides by 7, and x equals 20. X equals 20. And finally, number 6, find the value of x needed to hit the ball in the hole. Now, there are 3 angles here that we can see form this straight line here. They're not supplementary because 3 angles don't add up to be supplementary, only 2 angles. But the same rule applies. If I add all 3 of these up and they form this straight line, that means if I add all 3 of these up, they equal 180. So I can just put x plus 79 plus x equals 180. Well, I can combine like terms here and have 2x plus 79 equals 180. I subtract 79 from both sides and get 2x equals 101. Divide both sides by 2, and I'm left with x equals 50.5. 50.5. Awesome. Well, hopefully you were able to do that without too much difficulty. That last one sometimes throws kids off a little bit, but I think you should probably be able to struggle through it. And we'll see you tomorrow. See ya!